Hey, are you interested in learning? Check out our videos. Want more knowledge content? Make sure you've subscribed to our channel.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that MCP, or the Model Context Protocol. If you've been following recent discussions about AI agents and automation, you may have come across this term. But what exactly is MCP, and why is it such a big deal? Let's break it down in simple terms. At its core, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It's an open standard designed to help AI systems interact with external tools, data sources, and applications. Think of it like a universal translator that allows different AI models and software systems to communicate with each other. Here's the problem it solves. Today, we have many powerful AI models, but connecting them to real-world applications isn't always easy. Every time a developer wants to link an AI model to a new tool, like a database, a customer support system, or a productivity app, they have to write custom integrations. This slows down development and makes AI adoption harder. MCP changes that by creating a common protocol that standardizes how models talk to tools. With MCP, an AI agent doesn't need a custom integration for every single system. Instead, as long as both sides follow the protocol, they can instantly connect and exchange information. Let's take a simple example. Imagine you have an AI assistant that helps with project management. Without MCP, you'd need to manually connect it to apps like Slack, Jira, or Trello using separate integrations. With MCP, the assistant can use the protocol to automatically interact with those apps, pulling data, creating tasks, or sending updates, all without extra coding. The benefits of MCP are huge. First, it accelerates innovation by making it faster to build AI-powered applications. Second, it improves interoperability, meaning different tools and models can work together seamlessly. Third, it reduces costs, since developers don't have to reinvent the wheel every time they want to connect an AI model to a new system. And fourth, it empowers AI agents, giving them the ability to perform complex tasks across multiple platforms in a reliable way. Now, how does this connect to the broader AI ecosystem? MCP is particularly important for the rise of autonomous AI agents. These are systems that don't just answer questions, but actually take actions on your behalf, scheduling meetings, booking tickets, managing workflows, or analyzing reports. For them to work effectively, they need a standard way to plug into all kinds of applications. MCP provides that missing layer. Of course, MCP is still an emerging standard, and like any new technology, it comes with challenges. Adoption will take time, and different organizations will need to align on how to implement it. But the momentum is strong, and many experts believe it could become the backbone for how AI agents interact with the digital world. In terms of careers, this is an exciting area. Developers and engineers who learn how to build MCP-compatible tools and AI systems will have a major advantage in the coming years. It's a skill set that combines knowledge of AI, software engineering, and systems integration, all of which are in very high demand. So, to sum it up, MCP, or Model Context Protocol, is an open standard that allows AI models to connect with external tools and applications. It solves the problem of fragmented integrations, makes AI adoption faster, and enables a new generation of intelligent agents that can work across many platforms. In short, MCP is one of the key building blocks for the future of AI. That's it for today's explainer on MCP.
How did you feel? Is it helpful? Appreciate our efforts in the comment section below. Hit like button, share with your friends about us, subscribe our channel to get further updates, stay connected with us on social networking sites. For more free tutorials, visit our website www.learnetguide.net.